Hello everybody, welcome to Miss Bobby's Home Cooking. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am making my delicious mac and cheese and I want to share it with you. Like and subscribe if this is your first time. And if you have watched me before and you already subscribed, thank you so much. And what I really enjoy is when you all leave me a comment. Be gentle. And this is my favorite dish. You're going to absolutely love it. So let's get started. I'm going to go and wash my hands. And let's go and get going. Okay, so here we are. I have a nice chicken dinner with mac and cheese and collard greens. You can find the collard greens, fried chicken, and cornbread on other videos. Please check them out and like and subscribe. So we're going to get started with some smoked Gouda, some Colby Jack, and some cheddar cheese. I'm going to shred about 4 to 5 cups. I prefer to shred my cheese rather than buy them out of a bag. It seems to me that the cheese melts easier and tastes creamier. So please like and subscribe and share this video, and do leave me a comment as I mentioned earlier. I love the comments. We're going to mix the cheese up really well. Let's get started with our macaroni. I'm going to put in about 2 good pinches of salt. I'm going to add the macaroni. Just follow the directions on the back of the package. Cooks about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, looks like the macaroni is done. We will drain. Be careful when you drain, it is very hot. We're going to make our cream sauce right now. We're going to use 2 quarts of heavy cream, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of butter, about a half a cup of shredded cheese, a pinch of black pepper. You can use white pepper if you have it. We want to get everything melted and dissolved and combined together on low heat. Make sure to keep stirring until everything is melted. Then I'm going to use a 19 by 13 baking dish, nonstick spray, and I'm going to layer with cheese and then add the macaroni. And then I'm going to add layer my favorite spices like this one here, my seasoning salt, onion powder, and then I have some rosemary and herb and a pinch of salt, and I'm going to layer it with butter and add a pinch of pepper. Not too much salt because everything is pretty salty already. And then I'm going to continue to layer all the way to the top. We're going to add our cream sauce. Mix it really well. It looks delicious. I'm going to make sure I put my smoked paprika on top. That's going to add color. And I'm going to put in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes on 400 degrees. Now if you don't want your macaroni and cheese to be this crispy on top, you can cover it up with some foil, but actually this crispy part is the best part. And here we go. My family absolutely loves it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and help me reach my goal of 2,000 subscribers. Enjoy.